me go get mine. I'm about to go. I'm finna do it now. You ready? Come get in. If they let you in, come on. Let me see. Hopefully they ain't complaining about my car. Oh, no. They ain't complaining. It ain't even went nowhere. That's good. Let me see. I ain't got no leaks. We ready. I ain't what kind of music. Why he be doing it? Like, damn, bro, why you doing that? Yeah, they watching. I just try to, you know, play by the rules a little bit. Man, you can't do nothing. Hey, man. You racing that Marauder at Whitfest? Oh, I don't know. That would probably be a good race. Ooh, after I get that sand. Something, me and you.
What's up?
Me and you finna do something, right?
What you mean put me on game?
Me and you finna race.
Which money, bro?
I got the Impala right there. Little Malibu.
That hoe not little Malibu no more, bro.
Oh, it ain't?
That hoe hard. I see that hoe up here all the time, though.
Oh, I thought you ain't seen it.
I ain't gonna run it right now. This hoe acting funny, bro.
Oh, okay. I thought you didn't know nothing.
Acting funny.
Damn, he said this hoe acting funny, y'all.
Yeah, this hoe
Damn.
acting funny.
Okay, I thought it was ready. Y'all.
It's these power windows, bro.
Oh, it's them power wonders. Them bitches too heavy, fool. Them bitches too heavy. You need a weight reduction.
It went down.
Yeah.
Leave that hoe like that.
Yeah, you gotta leave it like extra
When I
wind.
get this one down,
Ram air.
straight.
Yeah.
Don't touch the
Hey, don't touch the windows, fool, alright?
the window, man.
Tell them, man. Bet. Damn. I'm ready for these cars to move. He blamed it on the windows, yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Man, he got there. Let me see something. Oh, here come the colors again, y'all. The line moving. Move your car. I ain't in the way, running. Okay. We got this cut dog back up here, y'all. We got Sean 335 out here. That must be that fast ass BMW. Why you want to whoop my ass? I'm scared now. Wait a minute. What, he got an all leak?
That's the same one I did it earlier.
Oh, okay.
Water now up here going.
No, it's a little oil leak. They didn't tighten something down good.
That's oil.
Or they be hitting that rev limiter. Yeah. What happened? Oh. God damn. This motherfucker, man. You know damn well there's too much, fool.
Pretty dark.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks like fucking
Did you put some Sprite in there? Is Sprite in there?
That was a full Sprite. That was a Sprite. It looks like
Okay.
apple juice now, man.
Here, let's hold that real quick.
That's apple
Play
juice.
with it.
That looked like apple juice.
That's a brand new Sprite, bro.
Let me see some.
Everything I fuck with is brand new. You want some more?
You got that mix right?
You know you want some more here.
Hell yeah.
I don't want no more. I sure appreciate it though. Y'all be trying to go fast. Goddamn Hispanics. They be wanting me to just goddamn swallow this shit. I can't do it. What the fuck going on?
About to this, Cookie the Prince, bro.
Yeah, oh, we got Cookie the Prince in here, y'all. God damn, I can't swallow this shit like that, man.
If you want some more, I got more, but
I don't want no more. It's too much.
Hey, I'm gonna come see you every time. I mean, I'll be able to make it out sometimes. But when
Yeah.
I'm here, you just know, I still got your bag. I'm gonna hit you on the live.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I watch you every time. I mean, when I'm not here, you here. So
Yeah.
that's what makes it work.
I think that's who I told he can ride with me.
All right, bro.
I already appreciate you. We got Cookie the Prince in here, y'all. This is one of the subscribers that be on here. You know what I'm saying? He be on here clicking the buttons and typing and liking and subscribing and loving and all that shit, man. But he up here in person, you know what I'm saying? Trying to look out.
Yes, sir.
Hell no.
Make it happen, y'all.
Somebody say I can't hang with a miss.
Hey, no bullshit. Whenever you can't make it out, he's here, bro.
Yeah.
You heard me? So, I mean, there's sometimes I can't make it out. And
Sometimes
here.
he can't make it.
Yeah, you got me fucked up. I'll be watching the races on my 65 inch.
On that 65 inch, he be at the crib, y'all. Hey, appreciate it, man.
I'm gonna see you.
You gonna roll?
You already know.
Already. He said, dile tu tío, compa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Subscribe, suscríbete.
Yeah. Subscribe it, and dale me gusta. He doing all that shit. That's Cookie the Prince, y'all. Now I gotta wait on the old boy that just drove that Infinity to come all the way back around so I can take him for a ride in it. I'm gonna take him for a ride. Yeah, drinking on the job. I got one of them cool jobs where you can do that type of shit.
I got the shitty job.
Oh, you can't do that?
Hell no.
Get a fake cup, bro. You could do it. You probably just can't disguise it.
Bro, you got probably like 6,000 people listening to this.
It don't matter. You probably can't disguise it. I don't be changing up because you know how they always. I ain't finna do none of that, man. The people that be on my channel subscribing, they just liking what I'm doing. Yeah. They ain't. I don't know. Y'all want me to go commercial or y'all want me to? Y'all want me to go commercial to where I can't cuss no more? Hi guys, this is the Lookout Racing YouTube channel. Hello. Acktown 817.
Hey bro, I guess I gotta run you, but you gotta give me a fat ass hit.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a whole bunch.